Among the valleys and rolling hills of Lebanon lies a piece of land untouched, where nature flourishes. Its name is Mount Moses, one of few biosphere reserves in the country. Facing its peak is the farm of a humble beekeeper. Here, colonies of honeybees fetched from all over the world are abundant. Maroun's hands work in harmony with Mother Nature, delicately caring for these precious and vital creatures. A rhythmic buzz like no other. The bees roam freely from flower to flower, pollinating the earth while creating liquid gold. It is from here that Beesline source Lebanon's purest beeswax. Using only recycled materials, Maroun meticulously crafts each hive by hand. The collaborative flow between Maroun and the bees creates a sustainable practice beneficial to all, in which the local bee population thrive in exchange for riches of the hive.